Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to reset your Pinterest login password. So for this, go to your browser and type pinterest.com and press enter, and it's going to take you to this website. And after coming to this website, click on login button over here, and then after coming over here you can click on forget your password button, which is right down here after entering the email of your Pinterest account. So let me enter my email. After entering your email, you can click on forget your password. Now it's gonna send a verification code to this email, which is associated with your Pinterest account. So click on send a password reset email. As you guys can see over here, this is my Pinterest password reset email. I can click on it and click on reset password. Now over here, I can type my new password and type it again to confirm it and change my password. So that's basically how you reset your Pinterest login password. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel, because we post content like this, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.